This is the Swedish Defence's training and simulation facility for military operations in urban terrain. The village and surroundings are also designed and used for live fire training. Special forces, police and rescue forces can practice a variety of training exercises. All buildings, soldiers and vehicles are fully instrumented so that instructors can monitor the training exercise and control simulated effects from the Exercise Command and Control Center. The personal simulation equipment consists of a GPS tracking vest with detectors for laser-based weapon engagement and an inbuilt speaker for simulated effects feedback. On the weapon, there is a simulator that transmits a laser beam when blank rounds are fired. The weapon and personal simulator communicate with each other, and if the soldier is seriously injured or killed, the weapon simulator is disabled, and a message is heard from the speaker.
Killed. Weapon disabled.
Alignment of weapons and the small arms simulator requires a minimum of effort and is easily performed by the soldiers with the alignment device. Simulator hand grenades can be used in the exercises. The grenades simulate either fragmentation or stun effects. On the buildings, there are structural effects simulators that respond to laser engagements. They assess the effect in the building based on the simulated ammunition fired and the protection level of the building structure.
Wounded. Left leg.
Soldiers in the building can be wounded or killed depending on the caliber and nature of the direct fire engagement. The effect indoors is also simulated with smoke, fire simulation, and sound effects. Outdoor speakers are used to simulate sound from vehicles, crowds, and more. The facility has mounted video cameras that record what happens, both outdoors and indoors. The cameras operate both in daylight and in darkness. This is XCON, the Exercise Command and Control Center. Here, all collected data is processed for later evaluation. In XCON, we can monitor all soldiers and vehicle positions, firing events, and status. Radio traffic and video streams are recorded and time synchronized. When soldiers are inside buildings, the system switches to indoor positioning, making it easy to follow soldiers from building to building and room to room. From XCON, indirect fires can be simulated, and their effect is heard from the personal speakers and the outdoor speaker system. When soldiers are in the area of indirect fire, they can be injured or killed. By taking cover and wearing body armor, the risk of being affected by simulated indirect fire is reduced. Further, via XCON, simulated mines and IEDs can be positioned and controlled. When soldiers or vehicles move into a mined area, they will experience an explosive effect. All data, video, and radio traffic that is recorded in XCON is available for both during and after-action reviews. The after-action review is the jewel in the crown of the instrumented training system. It is where the troops can really gain situational awareness and make sense and draw lessons from the exercise they have participated in.